In this video, I will show you how to easily create videos using the CapCut AI Video Generator. So, through this newly released CapCut AI Video Generator, you can create a complete video with a script, visuals, voiceovers, and subtitles in about 10 minutes, just by giving the topic of your video. Another reason why this tool is special is that, unlike other AI video generators that make only 1 or 2 minute videos, this one allows us to create long videos, up to 10 minutes, completely for free. So, I'll be talking about all these things in today's video. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is go to the official CapCut website through the link provided in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see this. Now, from here, you need to install CapCut on your device. So, if you've already downloaded it and installed the setup, then you just need to open the CapCut application. Once you open it, you'll see a feature called AI Video Maker. Click on that. After that, you'll be redirected to a page like this. And now, you can create your video. So, now I'll tell you exactly how to create a video using this. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is click on this New Project button here. After that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Alright, now, let's see how we can create a video using this project that we've just started. So, this is how you do it. You can see an option here called Script. Click on this, and then a new tab called Create Script will open for you. Here, the first thing we need to do is provide the topic of our video. That is, what you're creating the video about. For example, I'll enter 10 facts of wild elephants here. Then, they ask us for some key points related to the topic we provided. So, what you need to do is enter some key points relevant to your topic here. Now, imagine you don't know the key points. If that's the case, what you need to do is ask ChatGPT for the key points related to your topic. For example, right now, I'm asking ChatGPT to write 10 key points that match my topic. Then, I simply copy and paste what it wrote for me. Alright, so if you've completed that section in that manner, you can see duration written down here. Just like I said at the beginning of the video, we can create a long video of up to 10 minutes using this. But at this time, I only want a video of about 3 minutes, so I'm selecting 3 minutes here. You also select the duration you need. So, if you've completed this section in that way, click on the Create button down here. Then, it takes a few minutes, and first creates our script. Alright, so, it created my script in this manner. Now, we have to add voice, visuals, and subtitles to this script. Let's see how to do that. So, the first thing you have to do is click on the Scenes option that is below the script. Then, a new Scenes window will open for you. From here, what you have to do is select an avatar if you need one for your video. So, if you're creating content related to news or something like that, selecting an avatar from here is good because there are many professional avatars available. However, I don't need an avatar for the video I'm making today. So, I click on Voice. From here, we can select a good voice that suits our video. So, if you choose a voice like that, all you have to do is click on the Apply to All Scenes button below. After that, it will create and provide the voiceover related to our video. Next, all you have to do is click on Media, which is right next to voiceover here. Now, we have to create the visuals for our video. We've been given 3 options here. The first one is Generate AI Media. This creates visuals that suit our video using AI. However, this feature is not working correctly yet. So, the second option is Match Your Media. What happens here is, after you upload the footage you already have, their AI adds those clips to the correct places according to the script. However, this option is not very successful either. So, it's a bit difficult to get a proper result using the first 2 options. But we can create our visuals using this third option called Match Stock Media. Now, don't be afraid just because it says stock media here, because we can even use these for monetization. So, to create visuals using this, what you have to do is click on Match, which is in front of Match Stock Media. Alright, so if you click on that in that manner, it creates the entire video, matching our script within just a few minutes. Alright, so this is how it has created the video. Now, I'll show you a small part of the video I created.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know there's an animal that can remember a face for decades, communicate over vast distances, and has a nose with more muscles than the entire human body? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of wild elephants.
So, how is it? Isn't it actually good? You can see that it has also added subtitles. If you want to change the template of the subtitles, all you have to do is click on the Elements button that's below the scenes. From here, you can select the caption template you need. Well, I won't change my template this time, because since I created an educational video, I think this normal caption template is good for me. So, you too can select the caption template you need from here. Alright, so in that way, we have completely created a full video, completely free of charge, through this CapCut AI Video Maker. Now, if you need to do more edits, meaning if you want to add things like transitions and effects, all you have to do is click on the Edit More option at the top here. Then, your project will open through the CapCut application. After that, you can do the necessary edits and export the video. But, if these edits are enough for you, all you have to do is click on the Export button at the top here and export the video. Alright, so in this video, I completely explained how to create 100% free videos through the CapCut AI Video Maker. So, how was the video I brought today? If you think the video is good, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. Well then, let's meet again with a brand new video like this. Have a good day, everyone!